You may pick one up and hold it at a time, gently. I think the yellow ones are the Welsh Harlequins, and the darker gray ones are the blue Swedish. They really like the food. They seem to really like everything. This water's specifically designed not to be a swimming pool, and they don't care. They go swimming in it anyway.
That's why we should put the bottle on.
And I think because you can sex the Welsh Harlequins by the color of their beak, I think we have 3 boys and 3 girls, because they gave us an extra Welsh Harlequin. They're pretty cute.